the gospel rap, Christian rap, gospel music, I wouldn't consider myself a gospel artist, first of all. And when entering into mainstream culture, I try to stay away from the title Christian rapper, actually.
What do you classify yourself as?
A rapper.
Just a rapper?
Yeah.
A rapper.
A rapper. Now what happens outside of the rap, it goes beyond rap, right? People's lives are impacted.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? People make decisions to follow Jesus, all that good stuff. But I'm a rapper who loves Jesus, right? But I don't like to limit myself to those titles just because I don't think that they're beneficial when trying to reach people who aren't Christians. Yeah. Those titles and those terms are very in-house, and we use those a lot because we understand them. Yeah. But if the bigger vision and goal is to, for me at least, for my music, is to reach people that don't know Him, you know what I'm saying? It's to be intentional to not use Christianese often, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I just call myself a rapper. For me, what captures my heart is Jesus, so that's what comes out. But I'm a rapper, you know what I'm saying?